Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can layer images in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have two images inserted, and I inserted them in the order of the duck first, then the dog second. Now, once you insert your images, they will be layered already. Well, there will be sort of a priority, so the latest picture that you put in will be in the foreground, and you can very easily layer them this way. However, there is a tool which you can use to change the layering of your photos. For some reason, sometimes they can be in front or behind text, or even behind the background. If I do this and go into layers, which I don't know where they are for some reason, I cannot find it. Canva is really buggy for me in the in these few days, so you'll have to forgive me. But yeah, the pictures need to be overlapping for you to have layers already, or they need to be overlapping something else for you to change those layers. Now, as you can see, the dog is in front of the duck. However, if I go into layers, and I do apologize for it not being in English, you can either press Control left square parentheses or bracket, or Control Alt left square bracket to send it back. If you just do the control bracket or click this with a single layer here, it'll just put it behind the duck or the first thing behind it. Or if you put the front, it'll be just like this. Now, if you go to layers and click this with multiple ones, with 2 layers, and with the Alt shortcut in its description, you can then send it all the way back behind all images or elements that are present. You can also go to layers and show the layers, and as you can see, this is what the layers look like. Here you can edit them by dragging and dropping them. As you can see, the screen changes accordingly. Or you can have the intersection, which looks like this, and I'm not really sure what this is. Well, yeah, it's if something is not intersecting like this, but it is present here, you can still change the layers, so it'll be shown here, but in the overlap, it'll just show which pictures or elements are overlapping, and then you can drag them and drop them and change the layers. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.